Hello everyone, welcome back to SK World. Today in this video, we are going to talk about HtmlUnitDriver. Is a headless browser automation driver that allow you to execute your Selenium test without launching a real browser. This driver is lightweight and run your test in the background, making it perfect for environments where you do not need to visually see the browser operation. So let's begin. Open Chrome browser, search Maven repository. For adding the HTML unit driver dependency, click on Maven repository and search HTML unit driver. Click on HtmlUnitDriver and then click on 2.6 version. Copy this dependency and add this dependency in pong.l file. Open this file and add this dependency in dependency section here. Save this file and you view the dependency has been successfully added in this project. Now initialize the headless driver. Driver is equal to new HTML unit driver. Import HTML unit driver. Change to HTML unit driver. Let's run this script. It runs test without a graphical user interface, make it faster and more resource efficient. Test case executed successfully. HtmlUnitDriver can execute JavaScript. It means it can handle dynamic web pages. Advantages of a headless driver: faster test execution, run test quick by skipping UI rendering. Resource efficiency, consumes less memory and CPU. Easy of automation, setup and execution of automation test. Easy and simplifies. If you like this content, please subscribe to SK World. Thanks for watching.